Hello everyone. I'm very excited about this one. A few weeks back I actually purchased a scuba mini tank, so I would like to use this for that purpose. But this compressor can be used to basically anything. I'll unpack it and then I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna post a review. So let's start it. You can connect this, as you can see, to your battery or to your 10 power, which is some power instructions. So please review it closely. And this is a card that was tested. So this is really nice, and it tells you the date when it was tested. So my was tested in 2024. That's a really nice compact machine. You can see there's a leader valve. In the back you have a connection to 110 volts. As well as DC, so you can connect this straight to battery. If you work on your truck, car, or anything, you can basically take that compressor and have it in your truck and use it even to fill your tires. This is oilless, so it's really nice. You have the on and switch button. I guess you have a temperature indicator and pressure gauge. Front, or what you put back, there is a vent hole and burst proof valve, so it's very nice machine. Again, very compact, extremely well built. Everything is steel, even the handle, it's good. So really nice. And by the way, there's a breaker right here, or switch. I might be actually a switch between 110 and 220. I believe it's a switch. There you go. So if you live in Europe or you'd like to take it to Europe, you can switch this and it will work on 220. Hey everyone, I'm excited to actually refill and test my mini scuba tank with this air compressor. People who didn't see my video on unpacking, you have basically two ways of power this air compressor. Either your 12 volt battery, which you can connect it to your car. So it's perfect if you don't have new car with 110 outlet. You can connect it to your battery if you're in a remote spot and refill your tank on the spot. So this is really nice way and convenient. There is no any converters or anything else. It's a simple connection between the cable, between your air compressor cable and your car. So let's get started. Let's connect everything and check it. So there is a lot of filters and steel adapters. Comes with the air compressor, and as I mentioned before, this compressor is dual voltage and type. So it's AC 110. You can switch it to 220 if you are taking this to the country with 220 volts. And you have a 12 volt battery connection to the battery if you wish. So let's connected and test it. Whoa, that's working. Okay. Pretty loud, so I hope you guys hear me. This is the connection right here. This tells you the temperature sensor. Here we have the pressure gauge. We connect it here. Making sure it's connected correctly, and you screw up to the tank. Also, you can have connection here. You have a connection right there. And let's test it. Making sure everything is connected right.